Okay friends, to get started on this job, one of the first things that I always do is just place something underneath the transmission here with just enough pressure to gently hold this up. Once we've done that, we're going to continue on to this area right here. You're going to find two 18mm headed bolts, and then we'll make our way down here to this 19mm headed bolt. Hold that bracket. Now let's move to this bolt. Remove that bolt. Remove the mount. Okay, now it's time to install our brand new mount. Let's go ahead and take our rearward bolt, that's the 19mm headed bolt. Make sure you have some red thread locker on it. We'll take the mount, we're gonna slide it right in here, and what we wanna do is just line up the bolt hole of the mount with the bolt hole on the subframe. All right, I've got that nice and lined up. Now what we want to do here is just start this bolt in a couple threads, and then we'll continue on to putting on the rest of this mount over here with the bracket. For this mount, you're going to have a longer bolt and a shorter bolt. The shorter bolt goes towards the front, and the longer one, of course, is going to go through the mount and then up into the transmission. So now that they're bottomed out, let's just double check to make sure they're all nice and tight. And now let's remove our support.